In the last 2 months, I've made over $118,000 just helping local business owners rank right here on the first page of Google. That's over $50,000 every month in recurring revenue. The name of the company is Review Harvest. You can look us up. We're legit. My whole business and what we optimize for is built around this system. What can I build once and then automate and get paid monthly to do it? Because we want to optimize for low maintenance, low support, sticky recurring revenue. Customers that pay you every single month like a utility bill so that your revenue can compound every month and you don't have to start from zero. If you do a sample search on Google for any service, let's say plumbers in Houston, you'll find up here at the top, this is paid real estate. These businesses are paying $5,000, $10,000 a month for clicks and calls just for the chance to hopefully get a lead. And as soon as they quit paying for those ads, those leads stop coming in. But if you scroll down past this sponsored spot to these top three, this is what's called the map pack. This is where the majority of the clicks and calls go, and they're totally for free. So if you can rank businesses here, they're more than willing to pay you every single month so they can rank there organically without having to give Google all their money. And the important thing to know is that ranking on the first page of Google is like this stool. You need 3 legs for the stool to actually stand up and your business to actually show up, or you'll just be invisible. And the massive opportunity right now is that there's hundreds of millions of businesses out there who only have 1 or 2 of these legs on the stool. How you can set them up once for a business and then automate the system so they pay you monthly. Just for some further proof so you know what I'm talking about, I want to show you this case study. So you can see, I'm not going to share their name because I don't want everybody to blow them up, but you can see this is their address here. This is how they were ranking in April 22nd, 2026. This was their heat map ranking. If you're not familiar with what this does, basically each one of these small dots simulates a search in that area for their main search term. So if they're ranking number 3, that would mean that on this little search, they're popping up right here on the first page in the map pack. But you can see everywhere else on this grid, they're ranking 20 plus. So they're ranking number 3 right where their business is located, but 20 plus everywhere else. And that resulted in them being the 54th ranked business for that main keyword in their area. So now if we fast forward a little over a month later, you can see the same address. You can see their address right here. They're ranking number 1 out of all their competitors for the same search term. And now we can see their search grid. You can see all those 1s, all those 2s, means that they're ranking right here on Google for their main search term. So they're no longer having to pay Google an arm and a leg to get calls, to get leads. So in a little over a month, we were able to take them from being the 54th ranked business in their area with this awful grid to the first ranked area with a 41% share of local voice, meaning in their service area, what percent of the time are they ranking on the first page of Google, 1, 2, or 3, in a little over a month, just by making sure that all 3 legs of that stool were set up properly. And you can see it wasn't just for one search term, it happened for a lot of other search terms as well. You can see this improvement was insane. Just about a month later, they're ranking 1900% better, different keyword 900% better, and another keyword 1200% better. So if you have no idea what local SEO is, how to help local businesses rank there at the top, because it's actually a lot easier to understand and to execute than you might think. For Google to send customers your way and rank you at the top of Google, you need 3 things. You need to know what you do, where you do it, and that you're good at it. And so simply put, that means Google needs to know your services. They need to know every single service that you can do. So if someone types in that service, they can rank you for it. They also need to know where you do it. So if you're a plumber, they need to know that you do it in Houston, in Dallas, and all these other sub-cities around there. So they need to be very aware of what all your service areas are. And then the last piece that people skip out on all the time is that Google needs to know that you're good at it. If Google is recommending businesses who aren't good at what they do, people would quit using Google. So Google wants to recommend the best business for whatever that searcher is typing in. So how do you show Google that you're good at it? You do that by getting a lot of reviews, and then you can do that by getting citations and backlinks. Basically, reviews can go on your Google business profile, your Facebook, Yelp, all those reviews across all platforms. Although obviously when you're ranking on Google, Google reviews are the most important. If you don't know what those are, basically a citation is anywhere this business's name, address, and phone number is listed across the World Wide Web. So when someone does a search for Houston plumbers, Google's going to look at all the businesses and they're seeing, hey, Nick's Plumbing here. How many other places on the World Wide Web is this business listed? If he's listed 1,000 other places on other directories, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, all those directory sites, whereas Tom's Plumbing isn't listed on any of those, they're going to think that Nick's Plumbing is a little bit more reputable, so he's going to get the leg up in that category. Remember, like I said earlier, I'm optimizing for low maintenance, low support, sticky recurring revenue that we can still provide incredible results for our clients. So to get results like this, where these businesses can go from not ranking at all to ranking on the first page of Google in most of their service area in a little over a month, there needs to be 3 different things that we have dialed in. And those 3 legs are an optimized Google business profile. The next thing they need to have in place is they need to have an SEO optimized website. That means a website that's 10, 15, 20 plus pages with service pages. So every single service they offer needs to have a separate page with service areas listed. All the areas they serve need to have separate pages. So if you don't know what that means, don't worry, I'll show you real quick. So if we go to any website here, download this extension called detailed SEO. It'll show you everything you need to know. If we land on this site, we can see they have all their services listed. So look at all the service pages they have. So Google has ample content about what they do. You can see all their service areas here. So if you click here, you can see all the different areas they serve, and each one of these goes to a separate page. Not only do you need all those pages, but also you want to make sure that the headings on the site are set up properly. So we can see if we click on this detailed SEO extension, you'll see this thing called headings. You can go and see what their H1 is. Google's little bots that crawl the site, the very first thing they read is the H1. You want to make sure that on your homepage, you only have one H1. Most sites have 10, 20 H1s, and it's confusing Google. And it's a lot of times because their website designer doesn't know that's even important, and they're just changing the headings to fix the font. H1 here, need a plumber in Houston. It has their main service and their main service area. Boom. They're doing a great job there. You can see all the other headings are nested beneath the H2, and then you have H3s nested under H2s, and it's tiered all the way down like that. And we can see in all of these headings here, we have lots of services and lots of service areas, right? So we got Nick's Plumbing, Expert Plumbing and HVAC Solutions, Residential Plumbing, Commercial Plumbing, Houston's most recognized plumbing company, serving the greater Houston area. So Google, that's going through and reading these headings first, has ample data to know what they do and where they do it. And then the last leg of the stool that helps this stool stand up and helps this business rank on the first page of Google is reviews. Reviews are one of the easiest and best ways to show Google that you're good at what you do and you're still doing it. You need lots of reviews and you need to get them consistently, right? These business owners think they can just get 100 reviews and they never need reviews anymore because maybe they have more than their competitors. But Google's looking at not just your total number of views, but they're looking at how many reviews you're getting every week, every month, every year. So now you know the 3 legs of the stool. Let me show you the 2 software tools that can help automate 99% of the work, where you literally can build it once, automate the system, and then get paid monthly from these businesses to keep them at the top of Google. The first one is GoHighLevel. You've probably heard of GoHighLevel. Those awards behind me are from GoHighLevel. Obviously, I make these videos because I'm a GoHighLevel affiliate. If you sign up with my link, you get access to all of my free resources, right? I've spent the last 4 years building this business to over $50,000 a month in recurring revenue. And if you sign up with my link down below, you'll get an extended 30-day trial instead of the normal 14-day trial. And you'll get access to my paid community where I hop on a coaching call with you twice a week to help you with any questions you have. You'll get access to this link where you can literally copy and paste all the templates and resources that I've used to build my business directly into your own GoHighLevel account. So at no cost for you, if you use that link, you'll get access to everything I've learned. When it comes to GoHighLevel, nowadays we can use GoHighLevel not only for the reviews portion of it, which I talk about for the most part on my channel. The name of my company is Review Harvest after all, but you can also use it for the websites. We just went over this website. What you can do is you can go to GoHighLevel. They have this thing called AI Studio now that's literally free. I'm sure eventually they'll have to charge credits for it, but right now it's free. You click on AI Studio. I went into the prompt builder here and I said, please recreate this website exactly, pasted the link, boom. Now we have a website exactly like Nick's Plumbing, built out with the same structure, all that sort of stuff. And we can go in and we can either make visual edits, so I can go in and change the text and stuff, or I can just say, hey, make this look more modern, and it'll do that. So you can get a fully built out SEO optimized website in a couple hours just by speaking with their AI thing here. And then publishing it is super simple. You don't have to self-host it or anything. You just click on publish it to a domain, you're good to go. The other thing we use GoHighLevel for is to automate the review request process. So the first thing that we do for these local business owners is we do what's called a review reactivation. We take their list of previous 100,000 customers and we slowly reach out to them via text and email with a personalized image to get them a whole bunch of reviews in the first couple months of working with us and get a massive win. For that client that we got the crazy results for, we're charging $2,500 per quarter for us to do these 3 things here. And honestly, there's business owners out there who after you did the review reactivation, you get them a bunch of reviews, they would already feel like just that one piece of the puzzle, they would already feel like they got their money's worth. Once again, I built out all the automations already for you in GoHighLevel. They've been fire tested with hundreds and hundreds of clients. This isn't just something I threw together and said, hey, go use it. And you can literally copy and paste it into your account to copy all those automations when you just sign up with my link down below in the description. And the second software is Page by Merchant. So you can see there's this company called Merchant. They have this software called Page. What Page does is it helps automate the process of optimizing Google business profiles, adding more posts, adding more photos, continuously running ranking reports on it. My favorite thing that Page does is they have an incredible automated reporting system where they can automatically send those updated heat maps. They automatically send all the list of things that it's doing, adding posts, adding photos, optimizing services. If you want to do it manually, you definitely can. Check out this video going over step by step exactly how to optimize a Google business profile to rank on the first page. Also, if you sign up to Merchant with my link down below in the description, you'll get access to my local SEO course totally for free. It's normally $250, but you get free access to that course down below when you sign up and pay with my link. So once again, zero cost to you, and you get to steal everything I've learned from years of experience just by using that link. But like I mentioned before, I'm optimizing for low maintenance, low support, sticky recurring revenue. So that means that I don't want to do a bunch of custom work for every single client every single day and going back and forth with them via email 7 days a week. And that's where those tools come in to help automate the process. But you can do everything I just talked about. If the conditions for success aren't there already, it might be harder to get those results. So here's the 4 things I look for when I'm talking to a business owner potentially to sell on local SEO services. So when I'm talking to a business owner to potentially sell on local SEO services, I'm looking for these 4 things. If they have an address listed on Google, meaning they're not a service area business, you can see all of these top 3 businesses here have directions. That means they have an address listed on their Google business profile. It's not a service area business. That's not by chance. Nowadays, it is so much harder to rank a service area business. It's not impossible. You can do all these 3 things and they will see improvements and they will see results, but they might not be as crazy as they would if they have an address listed. So it's not a deal breaker if they're a service area business, but it's just something I'm looking for. And I'll set expectations properly on the sales call saying, hey, it's a little bit harder to rank these businesses. It might take a little bit longer, etc. The second thing I'm looking for is a non-optimized Google business profile. This means that their main keyword might not be in their business name yet. So you can see here, all 3 of these businesses have plumbing in the name. Technically, adding keywords to the name of your business on Google is considered keyword stuffing, but you can get a DBA and you can do it the right way. If you have a DBA, that's your legal name. Google can't do anything about it. The third thing is a non-optimized website. That's what we were talking about earlier. It's outdated. It only has a couple pages. Maybe it's just 1 page. They have improper headers without their main keywords in them. And they don't have service area pages and service pages. And then number 4, and maybe the most important in my opinion, is they have a saved list of customer contact information. That means in QuickBooks, in their CRM, in their booking software, whatever it is, they have a list of all their previous customers, or at least a couple hundred. That way we can use those for review reactivation to slowly reach out to all those previous customers to get them a couple reviews every day the first couple months they're working with us, so they love us and they start ranking better on Google. If I don't see any of these 4 things in a business that I'm talking to, oftentimes I won't sell them. I'll just say, hey, we're not the best fit, because if they've already done these 4 things, then all the low-hanging fruit has already been grabbed, and you can work 5 times as hard doing certain things to that business and it still won't get the results as it's just implementing these basic things. And that's why we price it the way we do. Typically, we're charging anywhere from like $300 to $800 per month for a new optimized website, for reviews, and an optimized Google business profile with consistent social media posting and stuff like that, which is all automated through Merchant and HighLevel. Because I think anytime you get into the $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 per month, the expectations are so much higher and it can get a lot harder to consistently deliver a positive ROI for that small business owner. Small businesses in general are very rocky, up and down. They have good months and bad months. So if you're $3,000 a month, as soon as they have a bad month, they're going to cut you. But if you're charging $400 and $500 a month and you manage their website and Google business profile and reviews and all that sort of stuff, they'll start paying you more like a utility bill and less like an optional expense. And so lastly, I know some people are seeing these results within 30 days and they're like, okay, why would they even keep paying if you've gotten them results so quickly? And that's a good question. But the thing is that SEO is constantly changing, constantly evolving. If you're not consistently getting reviews, consistently adding to your Google business profile and staying on top of managing all these things, your ranking can slack off quickly. So here's a short list of some of the things we're able to deliver automatically every single month to keep them coming back and paying. Number 1, website hosting. Websites are incredibly sticky. If you build them an awesome website that they're actually proud of and they love, they're not going to want to go changing their website every 6 months. The second thing is automated reviews. Every single time they're getting a new customer, you're requesting reviews from there through HighLevel, you're following up, you're responding to those reviews, you're posting those reviews on their social media, and that's all automated. Merchant can automate social media posts. So not only is page by Merchant can also automatically post on their social media. So not only is it posting to the Google business profile with SEO optimized posts, but it can also put those on Facebook, Instagram. It can create videos for YouTube and all those things. The fourth thing, and like I said, one of my favorites is the automated reporting by Merchant. Every month it's sending a list of all the things that we've done, their ranking improvement, all the things we're planning on doing. So they know we're not just sitting back and collecting a check. We actually are on the back end making improvements to their Google business profile so they can rank better. And then lastly, this is an optional one. If maybe you're charging a little bit more, you can add new content to the site every single month. You can take all their reviews, so you can make blog articles. You can take information from their recent projects and create different articles about their projects with the photos, all that sort of stuff. That pretty much sums up exactly how I make over $50,000 per month helping local businesses rank on the first page of Google. I know I didn't go into a bunch of depth on the Google business profile or the review stuff, but check out the rest of the videos on my channel where I go into way more depth about how to onboard clients, how to set up reviews through HighLevel, how to set up page through Merchant to automate the Google business profile process. And you can even watch live sales calls of me selling this service to businesses.